Hi, it's Annie Lou. How are you? I have a FabFitFun box. First time I've gotten it. And the reason I got it is because I saw that there was this beach towel in here. A microfiber beach towel. And that is what attracted me to the box. Summer's coming and I can always use a beach towel. I pretty much live on the beach. Okay, so there's a lot of packaging, and I don't know what that is. And FabFitFun summer box of 218. So let's see what is going on. So here's the box. And I don't know what's in here. You know, I'm at that age where sometimes you need the glasses on, sometimes you need the glasses off. Okay, so an all-natural collagen-infused lip mask. Well, that's going to be interesting. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, and I actually like this little pouch it came in. You can use that on the beach. It is really cute. And it's sealed. Okay, finally, FabFitFun. So there's a big magazine here. And win a trip to an El Dorado spa resort. Show us your box. Okay, I am going to do that. So, I will look at this closer later. FabFitFun, pass this on to a friend. So, if I pass this on to a friend and they sign up, I get a $10 off. So, that's a good deal for someone. Alright, here we go. So, the first thing in here is this straw saves marine life. This is a paper straw. Pretty interesting. I believe, and my friend had one, straws made out of metal, stainless steel. That way they're reusable, and that makes a lot of sense too. This is really, really sturdy. Okay. Good. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing in here is something from Tarte. And it says Pro Glow. So I'm thinking that it's probably highlighters, bronzers, and it's a big box. And it's beautiful. It really, really is. The colors are just fabulous. Okay, let's put that back. And you know what? It smells nice. It smells very nice. It smells like vanilla. Alright, so the next thing that is in here that I see is a band of some sort. A workout with fitness. Okay, workout with fitness on FabFitFun TV. So if you join FabFitFun, I'm not sure if you have to join like the whole plan, like for a year. And this box comes out seasonally, so it comes out 4 times a year, and I did sign up for a whole year. How do you like that move? So I will have to go online and see how. It's a resistance band. So I will go and see how that works. Okay, well, not how it works, but what you're supposed to do with it. So the next thing that I see here is a Cooler Sport sunscreen, 50 SPF. So, good for your face, that's for sure. Sport. I believe sport means it won't like melt and get into your eyes, because when sunscreen gets into your eyes, it's not pretty. So this is sealed. Let's open it up. Let's see what it smells like. Actually, there's a nice scent to it. It's a floral scent, but I'm not sure which flower it is. But it smells lovely. And then we have something here from Pier 1 Imports. No, it's a little tray with bubble wrap. It's very pretty. So I guess we can use this either as a coaster or maybe to put your jewelry on it. When I take my things off at night, I like to cluster them together. So this will be nice for that. And you know what? I am not seeing the beach towel. Alright, so an enzyme peel, papaya enzyme peel, exfoliate. Alright, directions: apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water. So I like peels, I like facial stuff. And that's sealed too. I'm not going to open it because I have some others that I'm working on right now. So I want to keep that fresh. And then there is a ring. So let's go look at that. I've never seen a ring like this. It has 2 pearls. The style of this ring makes it very, very adjustable. So I can just spread it apart and it'll fit right on there. It's really different. It looks like the pearls are just like floating on your finger. It's like an optical illusion. It's very pretty. I like it. Now, this is something that another thing that attracted me to the box. And a Foreo. I'm not sure how to explain this, but I have to download an app onto my phone, and then you put it on your face and it reads your skin things going on. So we're going to look into that. It's a smart beauty coach, and it's also a facial cleansing brush. So I'm going to go on to the internet and download this. I'm sure on the internet it'll tell me what to do and how to do it. I love the internet. I love YouTube. And I am right. There is no towel in here. Okay, so there's a bag of some sort. I am a little disappointed, to tell you the truth. But let's see what we have instead of a towel. Alright. Oh, it's a travel case. And you just put all your stuff in it. And it's deep. I'll give you that. It can hold a lot of things in here. It is deep. And you know what else? It has a zipper on the top. And you can put your brushes in it. And a gift for you, $50, or the purchase of $200 at a website. I'm not sure what it is that they, it says Yumi Kim. That is the name of the website. So they probably sell bags. So it has a zippered pouch over there. And in here you would put your brushes, your makeup brushes. And then over here you would put your stuff. You know, I might use this as a travel pouch for my art supplies, because I like to bring art supplies with me, and I could put my paint brushes in here and they'll be protected, because you always want to protect the brush part of your paint brushes. You always want them to stay nice and straight. And then in here I could put my colored pencils, my markers, my viewfinder, and if I was using a small travel journal, that's going to fit in there too. So there you go. Not only is this a makeup case, which is probably what it was designed for, but I am going to use it as my traveling painting bag. All right. Even though I'm disappointed that I didn't get the towel, this for me is a beach item too. I'm happy. I'm happy. So there you go. That is my first box from FabFitFun. And you know, the box is cute too. It's a good storage box. Well, thank you for joining me. And once again, FabFitFun. I'll put a link down below so that if you want to get a FabFitFun box for yourself, you can just sign up with that link below. And also, do visit my art channel. I have some fun stuff on there. I think you'll like it. It's very therapeutic, relaxing, and it's all good. So you take care, and I'll see you on a video, either an unboxing or an art video. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.